In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert an image in Dreamweaver, whether you are building a website from scratch or enhancing an existing one. Knowing how to add visuals can be a game changer. Let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First, you'll want to begin by opening Dreamweaver, and then open the HTML file where you intend for your image to make an appearance. This crucial first step sets the stage for everything else we're going to do. As you navigate through your file, you'll need to decide exactly where you want the image. You can do this either in Design View, where the layout is more visually oriented, or in Code View, providing a behind-the-scenes look for more detailed coding. Position your cursor at the exact spot where the image should display, because this is where we will insert it. Next, you'll select the image insertion method. You have a few options depending on the version of Dreamweaver you're using. For older versions, navigate to the menu and choose Insert followed by Image. Alternatively, if you're using a newer version, the Insert panel or button will be your go-to. Both methods get the job done, so pick whichever feels most intuitive. As you follow these steps, a Select Image Source dialog will appear. Here is where you'll locate the image file stored on your computer. Carefully navigate to the folder where your image resides, select the file, and then click OK or Insert. This process is fairly straightforward but crucial as you want to ensure you're choosing the correct file. With the image now visible on your page, there's an important step not to skip. Adding alternative text, often referred to as the Alt attribute, is key. By providing a description of your image, you not only make your site more accessible to those using screen readers, but also improve your site's SEO. Be sure this description is concise and accurately reflects the contents or purpose of the image. Finally, it's time to tweak any additional settings your image may need. Look to the Properties panel, or, if you are more CSS inclined, adjust directly there. This is where you can modify the width, height, or any other HTML attributes like class and link settings to fine-tune the presentation and functionality of your image. Once you're satisfied with how everything appears, make sure you save the HTML file. This step is important because it ensures that all your changes are preserved, concluding your image insertion process seamlessly. And there you have it. A fully inserted image now graces your Dreamweaver project. Whether for aesthetic appeal or delivering information, images can transform a simple web page into a more engaging experience for your visitors. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.